Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. As I mentioned in the last video, I will talk about the lace techniques today. More specifically, the ingredients that I'm gonna use for today are not buttercream, but bean paste. Bean paste is one of the traditional Korean dessert ingredients, mainly made of white beans. For today's tutorial, we need this bean paste. Are you ready? Then let's get started. 30 grams of water, 30 grams of bean paste, 6 grams of rice powder, 2 grams of sugar powder, 2 grams of glutinous rice powder. Lastly, 1 gram of vegetable oil. Please put all the ingredients in the bowl and mix it well to make up dough. And prepare a steamed hot pot. I'm gonna put the bowl with the dough in the steamed hot pot and steam it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, cool down the dough in the room temperature. If you want to add any color on it, please mix with food coloring pigment. Here is a silicone mold. Apply your bean paste on this mold thoroughly. Put this mold in the oven, set by 80 degrees Celsius for 17 minutes. And take it back from the oven after 17 minutes. I'm gonna remove bean paste lace from the mold. If you pull too hard, the lace may tear. So, please slowly and carefully remove your lace from the mold. And the lace does not separate well from the mold. Let it dry for another 3 minutes in the oven. That's it. It's the bean paste lace. It's so soft and flexible. We can make it in various shapes, and then this lace will become dry and solid as it is. You can put this lace on your cake in the way you want. Let me try. It's pretty yummy. How was the tutorial today? If you have any question about this tutorial, please comment below. And if there is anything else you guys want to see on my channel, please do not hesitate to leave a comment. I'm really happy if I can share anything with you guys. If you enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.